which is called Kapantay Ay Langit, which means I love you till death. You may have to find somebody else, but still, you have me. So that's the meaning of this song. It's a very old traditional songs that is always sung at the weddings. And I've been singing this since I was 10 years old.
Kapantay ay langit sukha at lagi kong dasal sa may kapal ang lumikaya pa. Kahit ngayon mayroon ka ng ibang mahal, hindi pa rin ako magdaramdam. Ngunit sinta sakaling paluhain ka, magbalik ka lamang, naghihintay puso ko't kaluluwa. Pag-ibig ko'y kapantay ay langit, hirang hindi magbabago kailan pa man. Ngunit sinta sakaling paluhain ka, magbalik